Rhondda Cynon Taf Council's Apprenticeship and Graduate Scheme. Get your career path off to a strong start and stand out from the crowd in a diverse and dynamic local authority. Our apprentices and graduates are given outstanding education opportunities. Begin a qualification relevant to your area of expertise, helping to expand your skills and knowledge. You'll be exposed to a variety of working situations, providing you with important and valuable experience. The scheme also offers apprentices and graduates a competitive salary. To complete the experience, you will be provided with the highest standard of support and mentoring throughout. If you would like to find out more, please visit the apprentice and graduate area of our website under Jobs at www.rctcbc.gov.uk or email the Employment Education and Training team at eett@rctcbc.gov.uk. Start your career with Rhondda Cynon Taf Council's Apprenticeship and Graduate Scheme.